So in today's video, I'm gonna show you some training for ladder drills, and hope you would like the ladder drills that I'm going to show you. These are some basic drills that you might like to do at home or outside in the gym or anywhere that has a spacious area, and you only have to bring some ladder, a training ladder. If you don't have any ladder, guys, you could just make one, get some chalk and draw some. So I'm going to show you first what are the 11 drills. So you might be asking, what are the benefits of the drills? So the benefits of the drills are improving your speed, agility, and quickness. It's great in your heart rate, and it burns a lot of calories and enjoy. So let's do this. Alright guys, those are the ladder drills that you're going to do. Hope it's not that complicated, but those are the basics one. Those are the basic ones. So hope you'll enjoy, and hope you'll hope you'll do it with me. So I'm going to do it 3 in a row, and in the third time I'm going to go fast. Go faster. Hope you go faster too. So let's do it. It's 3 in a row, guys. Okay. So guys, I made 8 boxes with a crayon. So
and I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
So that's it for the leather drill. Hope you like it. I'll get some water first. It's tiring guys, but it's worth it. If you have the will to do the drill, I'll congratulate you. I may not be that fit or the buff, and I don't have any six packs, but I do have a heart to do the drill and to be healthy. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you like it. So bye.